Hello everyone. So most of the people had this question on their mind, like how to deal with stretch marks. So what are stretch marks? Stretch marks are a normal phase of puberty that most boys and girls undergo because of rapid growth in their muscle, because of weight fluctuations, and there are different reasons. Because of the weight fluctuation, we get stretch marks on our arms, thighs, and different body parts. Stretch marks heats our body. So stretch marks here and there looks uneven. Today I wanted to share with you guys Mother Sparsh's new stretch mark kit, which helps us to tone, firm, and hydrate our skin like never before. You'll also see it in the demo itself. Products are 100% natural and Ayurvedic formulation. By now I have been using it for a couple of weeks now, and I swear by it, guys. Also, I do get this question a lot, when to apply this. So I ideally prefer it to apply at nights, because night is the longest time your skin gets to repair itself and heal it down. So your skin gets the most time to heal itself, and the hydration is real, you guys. Give your skin the nice rich care and nourishment it deserves at night. Use it at night, and it also leaves your skin hydrated and supple. Like, you will see the difference in a couple of days yourself.
Here's my super easy 2-step Ayurvedic routine for toning, soothing, and firming the skin. This kit not only prevents your stretch marks but also lightens your existing stretch lines caused by weight fluctuation and many other reasons. Its amazing formulation is a unique blend of Ayurvedic oils, herbs, and butters. The most distinctive fact that you can see in the video itself, that it's non-sticky formulation. Yes guys, you heard it right. You can see it in the video. It doesn't stick to your skin. It's an amazing non-sticky formulation which helps to tone your skin. Next is this butter that you can apply for your skin. I recommend you to use it twice a day. This butter not only lightens the stretch marks but also leaves the skin supple and hydrated. The antioxidant properties makes the toning butter simply effective, since they maintain skin's tone elasticity and also moisturizes your skin deeply going into the layers. Butter feels luxurious, you guys, on the skin. I'm not even kidding you guys, it looks luminous on the skin. It also prevents the appearance of saggy and cellulite skin with regular usage, you guys. Butter is yum, which actually feels so rich in texture. Here's your one-stop solution for your stretch marks by Mother Sparsh, which I highly recommend.
Lastly guys, I would like to thank Mother Sparsh for introducing such lovely products which actually are effective and which actually helps us to tone our skin, hydrate our skin, firms our skin, and provides unmatched level of nourishment. So I highly recommend this, you guys, if you're suffering from stretch marks, and I am sure these products wouldn't disappoint you, you guys.